All right, best stocks in the market from Josh Brown. The spotlight today is on Veeva, V-E-E-V, on the list since May 29th of 2025. Tell me why.
This might be like the only time this stock has ever been mentioned on the network. Nobody talks about it, but it
could be the last time too.
It's this incredible company, Scott, and it literally is demanding that we pay attention to it based on its performance. So the stock broke out in May. It has since been consolidating just below those 52-week highs. It's got an all-time high that's somewhat higher from 2021, but this is a much better company now than it was back then. Basically, every time you hear a pharmaceutical or a biotech CEO extolling the virtues of what AI is going to do for their business, they're probably excited because they're working with Veeva systems. Veeva is effectively becoming the industry standard CRM platform for drug discovery, and they've signed some of the biggest companies in healthcare, Bristol Myers recently, and they've got a product called Vault CRM. What's changed with this company over the last couple of years, and the reason why it's rallying so hard, they used to have a system that was built on top of Salesforce itself. And they've spent a ton of money in CapEx to build their own system, so they're off that OEM system. It's called Vault CRM. And I want you to hear the fundamentals here, because this is not just a chart. Net income this year up 36% to 714 million. That's up from 525 million in the same in fiscal year 2024. Operating margins look great now that they've built the platform, back up to 25.2%. This year is going to be the company's most profitable year in absolute dollar terms back to 2020. So they've made this huge investment. They've built out their own product. They're signing large deals with some of the biggest companies in pharma and biotech. And again, it's a stock that not a lot of people know about while they increase market share. So it's not a cheap stock, nor should it be. It's operating at a very high level, and I think the $300 level has been resistance going back to May. If the stock can get above and stay there, I think we're in a new leg of the bull market, and I would want to be long. The stop loss here, very simply, 260 to 265. That was support. That was prior resistance. I think that becomes support. So that's your risk reward.
All right, we'll watch. Thank you very much, Josh Brown. Final trades coming up.